Hi, welcome to Teach Me Miss D. Right, a little tip for spellings. Spellings in most schools are given each week, and you might give it in a variety of different ways. A lot of schools seem to be heading for the look, cover, write, check sheets to be sent home. It's up to you whether you agree with these or not, but they tend to be the policy in school. So if they are, here's a few tips for how to get through with them. Now, when you're doing spellings, you know what the rules are going to be that you are going to teach because you're going to take those from the objectives. So look for the whole half term, or even a term if you want to be super efficient, at what spelling patterns your children are going to be doing. Hopefully by now, at this point in the term, you will have decided on your different groups. So spend a little bit of time getting all of your spellings ready for the half term. Any jobs you can save having to do each week will be a bonus. Now, what I always tended to do is if I was giving the children 10 words, I would pick 7 words from the spelling pattern that we were learning that week. Now, I would have different groups, so a different level of word for each group, but still following the pattern. And then I would leave the bottom 3 spaces free. Now, that is really important if you're planning ahead, because it might be that you find in a week they keep spelling another word wrong, or there's a word that's cropped up in your topic that none of the children are spelling right. Leaving those 3 gaps at the end means the children can write that in each week as an extra word to learn, or get them to look through their books and see which word it is they are finding that they're having to have corrected a lot by you in their books, and they can add that. If the children in your class are really whizzy spellers and you're finding that they're not getting very many errors, those 3 spaces can be for them to find out other words that follow the rule that you've been learning about, and they can write those in underneath, and at the end of your spelling test, once you've delivered the 7 words, they can get their partner to test them on those 3 words, or they can just write them down if they know what they are. If they've been learning them all week, they should remember which 10 words they have been learning. Now, it's really important to make the spelling teaching fun, so make sure if you are giving out the look, cover, write, check sheets, find and plan in advance some fun activities to do. Online, there's lots of word search creators that you can use, so you put your spellings in and it creates them, or crosswords for children who are better readers and are better with their spellings, or any fun way that you can get them to practice their spellings. Look, cover, write, check is just a short-term approach. It's not going to help them learn the rule. It's not going to help them become better spellers unless they've really understood the rule, practiced it, and are using it regularly. In my class, we used to have rewards for anybody who managed to spot a word during the week that was part of our spelling pattern. So try and get it really embedded in them that this rule is going to stick. They're not just learning the words for a test, they're learning a rule that's going to help them with spelling for the rest of their lives. Okay, make it useful, make it purposeful. Please subscribe below and comment if you want me to go over on anything in particular. But remember, being organised and doing a batch in one go is going to save you time each week. Okay, thanks very much.